Okay. So I am Melissa Lewis, founder and CEO of Olio Caribbean. We are a boutique digital marketing agency. We're a boutique digital marketing agency located in the Caribbean region.
Okay, and what kind of things are you doing in your boutique marketing agency?
So we offer, as the phrase mentioned, digital marketing services. So we do social media management, we build websites, a bit of app development as well, and we have recently started to offer funnel design as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And what was your, let's say, main thing, main question, or maybe problem that you're facing that you wanted to solve before starting the Client Accelerator program?
Okay, so we needed to find a way to promote our services so that we can have a continuous stream of leads coming in every month. Um, our marketing it was pretty much non-existent. So we know we needed to move away from reliance on referrals and go out there and get more leads into our business. Yeah.
And do you feel that the Client Accelerator program is solving the problems for you?
Yeah, I'm confident in the accelerator program. In that it will increase leads for us, and not just leads, but the quality of the leads to ensure that those are the people that we want to work with. Because the way that Erwin has, the way that you have, designed the whole process, it helps us to fine tune our target audience, create our unique and compelling offer, so that we communicate it clearly and it attracts the right people into our funnel. And it's all done on autopilot. So definitely confident that it will increase the leads coming in.
And why it's important for you to do this?
Okay, so if we don't do that, then quite frankly, our business will not grow. As the founder and CEO, I want to move away from working in the business and working on my business. So I could grow that company, hire more staff, and stop doing the day-to-day work that I'm doing now.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Now there are many programs in the market. So there's all kind of offerings and coaching and programs. And why did you choose specifically this program?
Okay, so the framework, the steps were very clear. They were easy to understand as to what is required of us to have this entire system built out. And that was very encouraging. I see that there are other clients who have, gotten great results, right? So that was, the defining thing for us, that it was very easy to pretty much move through each step. Yeah.
And what would you like to say about the coaching part of the program? Because it has different layers, the program, like the materials and so. And what would you like to say about the coaching that you received so far?
Okay, so it's fantastic. The way the concepts are broken down, very easy to understand, very clear, and practical, right? There are tons of resources that are given each week, right, to aid and support the learning process and provide the exact formula that others have used to pretty much get those results. So each session is very organized and flows into the next, right? So it's pretty exciting now to move into homework. So when I have to do things on my own complete a template, it's pretty easy. There are examples there. So if I get stuck at any point, I could refer to the examples and I'm well on my way to completing that homework assignment. So it's just a seamless, easy process and just a wonderful experience so far.
That's great to hear, of course, very pleasant. And what about the training materials, like the videos? You said a little bit about it. What do you think about the things that you receive, actually, like the templates and the videos and so on?
So it's nice that I'm a visual learner, but I also like to watch videos and to hear that explanation. So coming out of the one-on-one live sessions, having that material in video and also in text is really, really great to support the learning process. And if I forget something that was mentioned on the one-on-ones, having it in video, have it in the PDFs and the slides is just fantastic because it supports me learning it and solidifying the concepts and ideas.
And the in the program, it's not only training and coaching materials. So there is also a part you actually will build and have your funnel system live, including, you know, the technology used and so on for this. How important is it for you that this is also included in this program?
So that's the main part because my team and I were very small. So time is a limited resource for us. So we definitely need someone there to help us build out that funnel to ensure that we get it done because of our time constraint. Um, and it has to be done right away because we want to, before the end of the year, we want to be able to grow our business and to increase our revenue. Yeah.
Do you think the program is for you, well, brings you the value for money? So what you pay for it?
Yeah, it's definitely worth more than what I paid for it, right? I mean, I'm familiar with what needs to be done in our marketing funnel, but the way that this program structures each step and feeds into the other steps to getting an irresistible offer created, building out the client acceleration process, it's just really powerful, and it's simple. So the guesswork out that I would have to do on our own to re-engineer, say, a proven marketing funnel design or something that we would have seen another marketer do, we don't have to do that because it's all done already for us, and it's just copy and paste basically, in a sense, and just make it relatable to our brand and our products and services. Yeah. So it's definitely worth the money. Yeah.
Can you recommend this to any other company?
I would definitely recommend it to others, and we do intend to actually use what we have learned from this process with our own clients. Now that we want to push funnel design and funnels to our existing clients and some of our prospects. So by the fact that we're going to use these same ideas and concepts in our marketing framework, definitely I would recommend it to any friend or anyone out there. It's definitely worth the time and effort put into this whole process. um, it's definitely worth more than the cash investment because of what we know we're going to get out of it. Yeah.
Perfect. Very nice. Is there something else that you would like to share about, you know, our cooperation, the program, whatever?
Well, I would say Erwin, who is the lead guy here. He's a fantastic person, very easy to work with. His style, his delivery, all, every session is just amazing. It blows my mind because of the way he puts across everything. It's just really to understand, and it's just a pleasure being in this program and working with you, Erwin.
Well, thank you very much. I'm very pleased to hear so. So that's all for me, you know, a motivation to continue and further improve the program and development. I will thank you so much.
Okay,
And
I hope I was I did good.
perfect. No, I
Clear.
like it.
Hope I was clear.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I will stop the recording now.